Yo guys, it's me again, your friendly neighborhood student. Ngayon, kwentuhan tayo tungkol sa kahalagan ng multimedia and ICT sa henerasyon natin.
For real, school would be 10 times harder without tech, like Google Drive, Canva, even AI tools. Literal na group mate na din sila minsan.
And who remembers online class days? Kahit mahina net, nakasurvive tayo. ICT really helped us back in the day, during those very harsh times.
At ang content creation, grabe ang daming nating paraan para ipahayag ang ating sarili. Kahit simpleng drum video, pwede mag-viral. Like that.
Parang hindi na uso boredom niya yun. Basta may device at wifi.
Admit it, ang convenient ng life na. Hotel bookings, flights, Shopee, Grab, lahat nasa phone mo na.
Uy po! Tsaka social life, hello! Messenger, Discord, TikTok. Those apps help us stay sane during lockdowns and even now. Pero syempre, balance pa din. We use ICT to make life easier. Pero dapat, smart users din tayo.
Kung nakarelate ka, bigyan mo to ng like, i-share sa tropa mo. Yeah.
And follow for more kwentuhan. Chill lang!